Can you create automations for specific tasks in Monday.com? You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open the Automation Center. In your Monday.com dashboard, click on the Automations button at the top of the board. 2. Choose Create Custom Automation. You'll see a list of automation templates. To set rules for specific tasks, click on Create Custom Automation. 3. Define a trigger condition. Select what triggers the automation, such as when a task's status changes to done, or when a due date arrives. Choose an action to perform. Pick what should happen next, like moving the task to another group, assigning it to someone, or sending a notification. 5. Apply to specific tasks. If you want automation for a single task, use filters to specify the exact task name, status, or assignee. 6. Test the automation. Change the task status, or complete the action to see if the automation runs correctly. Adjust if needed. 7. Save and activate the automation. Click Save, and your automation will now run based on the defined conditions.